We're with you, 'cause it's our tomorrow, too. This is GMA Radio Television Art. For the new audience. On radio, you're tuned to Double B, 580.
This is DZBB 594.
DZBB 594 kilohertz. Member KBP.
It's a place that you come home to. It's where everything's just fine. We could share together to pass away the time.
This is GMA Radio Television Arts. On radio, you're tuned to DZBB 594 kilohertz, the top-rated music personality radio station in Metro Manila. Member KBP.
It's the place where you belong. It's where you belong. And where you belong. Good friends, old and new. Friends you know are always true. It's where you belong. GMA. It's where you belong.
Patuloy na naglilingkod sa pamilyang Pilipino, sa sambayanan, at sa buong mundo. GMA. Dito nagsimula ang lahat. Radyo Basic Bayan. DZBB.
Ang pinakamagaling na AM station sa Metro Manila sa KBP Golden Dove Award.
PMA. Ito ang Super Radio DZBB. PMA. Ito ang Super Radio DZBB.
Ang himpilang walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan, serbisyong totoo lang. Ito ang GMA Super Radio DZBB 594. Dapat sa balita, yan ang aming panata. DZBB Super Radio 594. Laging naka-alerto, serbisyong totoo. DZBB kapuso nyo sa radyo. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan, serbisyong totoo lamang, walang iwanan. May paninindigan, matatag, maaasahan. DZBB Super Radio 594, kapusong Pilipino, lahat Super Radio. DZBB serbisyong totoo. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan, serbisyong totoo lamang, walang iwanan.